Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty pink, metallic, and rhinestone Valentine's Day set. The pink color is a little off in this video, and I think it's because of my lighting, but I will show a photo of the nails in sunlight at the very end so you can see what the colors actually look like. So I already prepped my nails here and applied this peel off base gel coat. I'm only using it because I switch my nails every week, but if you want your nails to last longer, definitely use a regular base gel coat. So we're going to start with this Rhinestone Polygel. The color is Gills Pink, but as you can see, it's a very pretty bubblegum pink. So first step is to just apply some of that polygel into the dual form. I already pre-selected the dual form to fit my pinky. After I pat out the polygel into the dual form, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that dual form to my finger and press down gently to get the sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the LED lamp. Next, we are going to move on to the ring finger, repeating the same process, just patting down the polygel into the dual form with your brush dipped in slip solution so it doesn't stick to the polygel. And you're just going to go ahead and pat that to the desired length. And then you're going to go ahead and apply that to your finger, gently pressing it down, again making sure you get your sides, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're just going to repeat the process here on all of the following nails using that same pink color. So now I'm just going to let the video play out as you guys watch me repeat the process on my following nails. Once the nails finish drying, we are going to take the dual forms off. You simply remove them by wiggling the forms back and forth until you get a little air bubble, and then you twist and the dual forms pop off really easily. So after we remove the dual forms, I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol here on a paper towel and remove that sticky layer of polygel on top before I go ahead and clip my nails down to the desired length, which is what I'm doing here. Next, I'm going to file down the sides of my nails and smooth out some of the ridges that were left by the dual forms. Once I finish with the hand file, I'm going to go in with my e-file and smooth out the top of the nails along the cuticle areas and the sides of the nails. Once I finish with the e-file, I'm going to go in with more rubbing alcohol on the paper towel here and just wipe off all of that nail dust so we get a nice clean nail and we can start working on the design part of the nail. The first step is to apply some no wipe top coat to the 3 nails that I will be applying that pink metallic powder to. Once I finish applying that no wipe top coat to the 3 fingers that I will be applying the metallic chrome powder to, I'm just going to cure that hand in the LED lamp for 60 seconds, and that'll give us a nice smooth surface to work with when we're applying the powder. So here's the powder we will be applying. It is a very fine powder and you only need a little bit of it to get that desired metallic effect. You just dip your sponge in a little bit of the powder and you keep rubbing it into your nails. The more you rub, the more you'll get that metallic chrome looking effect, which is pretty cool. And as I mentioned in the video earlier, my lighting is definitely off in this video. So the pink is kind of showing up as more of a magenta color, but it's really, it's a little lighter than that in person. And I will show a picture of the nails in real daylight so you guys can see the color contrast. And just really how cool this pink metallic powder is. So I'm just going to finish applying the powder to my pinky nail here. And then once we finish that, we will move on to the rhinestone portion of the design. Once I finish with my pinky finger, I am going to apply a top coat to all 3 fingers that had the powder applied to it so that it seals in the powder. And then we are going to cure it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. and then we can move on to the rhinestone designs. Once I finish curing my hand in the lamp, I'm going to take some thick rhinestone glue and apply that all over my finger before I start applying the rhinestones. Now for the middle finger, I'm going for a heart design, which you'll see I'm just using some small silver rhinestones that I will create a heart shape with them. Once I finished applying the rhinestones on my middle finger, I went ahead and cured it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I went ahead and moved on to my thumbnail here, where I'm doing a really simple, just some accent small rhinestones along the cuticle area of the nail. And then I'm also going to do the same thing on my pinky nail. I'm just going to apply some of the same small silver rhinestones along the cuticle area. Once I finished curing those rhinestones in place, I moved on to my ring finger, where I just applied some of that rhinestone glue to the whole finger. And for the design, it's just going to be randomly placed hot pink rhinestones and silver rhinestones. And I'm also going to copy that design on my index finger as well. And once I finish placing the rhinestones on both fingers, I went ahead and cured it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once I cure the rhinestones in place, I apply a layer of top coat to all the fingers and cure them in the LED lamp. Once I finish curing all of the fingers, I apply some cuticle oil to all of the nails. Here's how the nails turned out, you guys. I think it's a really cute Valentine's Day set, and I will show you a photo of the nails in real lighting at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel.